Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to solve October-November 2017 paper 1-3 question 14. So let's begin. A thin horizontal plate of area of 0.036 meter is beneath the surface of a liquid of density 930 kilogram per meter square per meter cube. The force on one side of the plate due to the pressure of the liquid is 290 Newton. What is the depth of the plate beneath the surface of the liquid? So as you must be assuming that what do you mean by depth? Depth is basically the height, right? Like for example, if this is a glass and it contains it's a container basically. Okay, it contains a liquid of density 930. Okay, and it has a plate here at the bottom. Now it's asking us to find the height basically. Depth means the height. So as you know that the equation relating height, pressure, force. Can you guess the equation? Okay, let me show you the equation which we would use here. It would be pressure is equals to density into gravitational constant into height, which is basically h rho g. You must have learned this equation. Pressure is equals to h rho and then g. Okay, and then the second equation for pressure for solid, this pressure is equals to force upon area. So basically we would use this equation and we would use this equation to find out the pressure. Okay, so yeah. Now as you can see from the behind, as you can see in the questions given that the force exerted is 290 Newton here. Okay, and the area is 0.036 meters square here. Okay, so I would underline it for you, 0.036 meters square here. Okay, so it's already given in the question. So while using this, we would calculate the pressure exerted on the surface of the plate by the liquid, which is I've already calculated for you. It's basically 8,056 pascals. Okay, then we would use this equation, above equation, which I have written here. This one, pressure is equals to this h rho g1 to calculate the height. So if you modify in terms of height, it would be height is equals to pressure upon pressure divided by g into density. Okay, now if I place the values which are already given in the question, so height would be equals to pressure, which I have already calculated in the above step here, divided by 930. 930 is the density of the liquid, which is already provided in the equation or in the question. I mean, here it is here. Okay, and then it's a gravitational constant, which we already know its value is constant. It's 9.81. So if you calculate this, you would get the answer of 0.88 meter, which is basically option A. So for answer for question 14 is option A. Still, if you have any doubt, any confusion, you may ask in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching.